everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'm going to show you what we received in the December Sophie and Toffee Premium Elves box, as well as show you how to make this resin Pacman inspired maze. So the first thing we're meant to receive in the box was a clear silicone dice mold, but I didn't actually receive one in mine. So the next thing we received were 2 colours of gel UV LED resin. We also got colourful crushed shells, 2 random maze designs. I got the game console and the castle. 6 colours of holographic glitter, boba tea pearls, mermaid sequins, glow-in-the-dark rhinestones, polymer clay cane slices, fake sprinkles, steel ball bearings, UV resin, 2 colours of crystal pigment dye, and finally some epoxy resin. So to begin, I took my bottle of UV resin and I poured it into a silicone cup. I then took my purple crystal pigment dye and placed in 1 drop, which I stirred in until the colour was evenly spread. I added some of the purple holographic glitter into the resin, as well as some of my own glitters, and I mixed these through. Next, I took my Game Boy mould and I poured in the resin around the outside, also trying to spread it through the indented parts. Once I've done that, I then cured the UV resin with my UV light and also placed it out in the sun. I then poured out some more of my resin and mixed in some black pigment dye this time, and I mixed this in, and this is going to act as the backing for my piece. So I poured it into the mould and then also cured this with a UV light. Once everything has hardened, you can then carefully demold the piece. I then had a pack of these polymer clay Pacman cane slices from a previous Sophie and Toffee Elves box, which I decided to use in this video. I took some of the crystal UV resin to act like a glue because it was a nice thick consistency. Then I placed in all the little Pacman pieces where I wanted them and secured them down. Once they were secure, I took one of the metal ball bearings and I placed it into the mould. Then it's time to add a layer on top, so I used resin as glue around the outside of the piece, and then I placed on a plastic sheet and made sure to harden the resin. I decorated the parts of the Game Boy using the fake sprinkles and the glow-in-the-dark rhinestones included in the box, again using UV resin as a glue. Finally, I domed the whole piece on the front and the back to make it nice and shiny. And there you have it. This is what my finished Pacman maze looks like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.